I keep saying to James that I think we're at the end of this, what I humorously call a shortcut, and now we're going to be joining up with the main road again, and that the worst is behind us, or I should say the interesting section is behind us, but it does seem to keep going. But I think that was the low part of this river valley, or this valley area. I think that's the low area. I think now we're climbing up a bit higher, so the water isn't pooling on the road here as much. He says as the road suddenly starts to go down and drop in altitude. Really cool day today. Temperature yesterday was very high. James and I went out for another ride, and a couple of times we were standing at a place where there was no breeze, no wind, and temperature was pretty extreme. We were both sweating a lot. But today it's much, much cooler for some reason.